Yeah, hi Fred, it's Mark at FMAV. Here's another one for you. Yeah, so basically this one here, it was very, very good condition. Cogs were nice and tight. You know, there's not any issues there really. I'll give it a clean for you. I've checked the micro switch, given that a little quick clean. Put another laser in there for you. The usual stuff. So it's all working for you, as you can see. I'll just got another track. You can see it going up in tracks there. Just turn that down. Yeah, so basically that's all good for you. That's ready to go shipping out to you today. I'll bag that up and get it in the post. I don't know whether you noticed there, but look at that little thing that I've got there. See that? That's from my buddy Fred there. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, Fred, because what I use this one. Right, but that come off of a Bang & Olufsen. But that's not magnet. That's not got magnetic to it. Whereas your one is magnetic. So I'll be honest with you, I've not seen these ones before. I know they slide onto the arm, didn't they? But I've not had one. They're quite far and few them things just to get the spares. But yeah, thank you very much for that. I appreciate that. Saves a bit of tape and messing the CDs up, because I always find when I put a bit of tape, when I pull the tape off, it pulls off the CD with it. So yeah, that's all done for you. You got your usual 6-month warranty on that one, Fred. And anything else you need, buddy, you know, just give me a shout and I'll be more than happy to help. Cheers, Fred. You have a great day and look after yourself, mate, and stay safe.